Hi guys, this is Casidaris. Okay, first, thank you so much for clicking on this video. The second thing is, I just want to say something real quick and save your time as well. So right now in Dubai it's hot. That's the first thing. The second thing is I had a chemical reaction to some extension or some braids, and with heat wave, like the humid and the sun is so crazy. Sometimes it's 38 degrees. So I had a very bad reaction that I have never had in my life. Like, it's pretty bad. So I have to try as much as possible to keep safe from extensions. Yes, I do have that reaction for quite a long time that I remember. If I put extensions and I don't wash them prior to attaching them, I react like on my forehead, or if it touches me here or here. So right now it's so bad, and then I had to do some tests to check exactly, maybe it's the braids, the extension, it's something extra. But for now I have to stick to something that can save my face. It's very easy to have an acne, to have a rash, to have something, but it will take very much time for you to clear those spots. So because it's hot, today I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to my hair for hair duls. A lot is happening. I have to go do some activities and other things. And also, if you haven't watched some of my videos, I would appreciate if you can like, share and subscribe to my channel and watch those videos. Okay, so let me show you. Just need a few things. Again, rubber bands. Okay, now I remember the first time I bought this, I was thinking like, why am I buying a lot? Am I gonna use them? Wow, I use rubber bands in most of my stuff. Then we just need what's this? Gel. I'm using Isoplast. Yo, this one is good. This one is straight from Africa. It sticks better than the Eco Styling Gel. I'm sorry to say that. Yeah, my hair moves. It's gonna be pretty and simple. The first thing is just, okay, when I'm looking here, I'm looking at my mirror. Okay, just you have to the hairline. The first part is parting the hair, okay, to make it more, to give it like definition, to mark the line. Let me just use some gel. Pardon me for looking the other side. Once it's done, I will look that way. Okay, so I had someone, this is the advantage of washing hair DIY. So someone said if you want to part your hair straight, you can use baby powder or your powder that you put on your face. I'm yet to try that on camera, but I did try it. It was very nice and it's easy. It's non-sticky as well. You get a straight line, non-sticky straight line if you don't want to put the gel, because sometimes this gel will leave some residue. If maybe the style you're doing, you don't need to make the hair wet. The line from foundation is really straight. Most probably easy as well to make. So after parting, I've parted my hair. It's very simple, guys. The one I'm doing here. Then I take a small section. You can make twists out if you want it to last long. So me, this is what is happening right now. During the day, I'll go to work. Then in the evening, I'll come back and go to, like, maybe sometimes I go and do some activities. I'm going outside, skating, I'm running, I'm doing some stuff. So at the end of the day, I'll come back and wash my hair. That's why for me, I'm going to use rubber bands. Then I will tie it down. Then you can pull it down and press it down a little bit to make it more secure. Oh my god, I saw this, somebody did it. They added an extension, they added a very big afro puff and everything. I've done a video to make an afro puff actually, from any hair, like kinky hair, Mali braid, or anything that is afro. You can make a path from it. You can watch the video. I'll put the, like, among my videos, let me just put the thumbnail so you can see it. Go and see it. It's actually easy, it doesn't take you long, and that thing, you're gonna use it over and over. I'm doing this, I just want us to go through. Hopefully you guys, you will watch this to the end. It's something I'm talking about now because mostly this world right now, we are so busy. As families, we might forget to check on our loved ones. I have a question and a suggestion rather. If you lose someone, I know you might find it more hard to talk about it as family, like to sit down, to bring those memories, and people start crying over and over again. But I think it's better if among siblings, among family, you talk about it, like, how do you feel, how are you, how is the situation, like, what are you thinking after we laid this one, we left home and everything, what really happened. If you can't have that kind of a family, I have a suggestion that you should do. Try to keep yourself engaged in something, things that will always like give you the opportunity to have that person in your mind to say, oh, I'm doing this because I respect this one and this one. Hopefully you get it. I lost my brother last year. It was really a tough time. I went home, I come back. When I come back here, that's when like reality started hitting, because he was that person I would text, talk about everyone among, you know, when you're the black sheep of the family, and just say, what's going on? He would alert me of something before it even happened. So losing him was like I lost a best friend. When I came here, I had seasons, not episodes. Now it's better. I had episodes that I would get my phone and start like texting me a message. Like in between the process, that's when I realized now he's gone. You know, like that really hit me hard, and I was always crying. So mostly, you know, when you are in such a space, people will be like, oh no, don't cry, it happens, like that. So I didn't want to hear those words, because I felt like all these people are saying that because they just want to comfort me. But I needed that moment to be alone, to go through it. So I would go outside, I would walk around, walk and cry. So I used to do that a lot until one day I discovered, like, I was coming from work, then I saw some people skating. I'm a very active person naturally, so I had to, okay, since I can run, let me try this. It took me like a few days to learn skating. Then I went and started learning skating with a coach, or after I've learned, so I would go practice, then come back to that. I would start skating up and down. Yeah, actually 2020 was a very unfortunate year for me. Later on, around 26th December, I lost my nephew as well. And I was far. It was not warm, man. You know, when you're just going through things, you're just thinking like, what is happening to me? Why is this happening? And no, you are still in a stage where you haven't made peace with yourself. Then something like that also happens. Like, just like, what is going on? But you won't be finding any answers to such kind of questions. So it's something that I'm urging someone, if you guys can talk about it as a family, check on each other, like, how are you doing? How is the situation? Just talk about it. Yes, those are not the topics we are used to, especially like maybe if you are from the setup like me. We even now, with my family, most of them, we don't talk about it a lot. We don't. I don't want any one of them coming to me reminding me that, like, to bring up that part, because I'm not ready to talk about my emotions. I'm not ready to talk about how I feel. I'm not ready to go through that. So yeah, guys, that was my suggestion. Or because I care, it's because sometimes we neglect something. We neglect something because it hasn't happened to you or to someone you're close to. But eventually, if that thing happens to you, you will feel, I know it doesn't have to be us talking about hair all the time. Yeah, you're gonna make hair like this, like this. So I have to be bringing up such kind of conversation. And I would like to pray for those who are going through hard times, like what I was or like what I am, but we have to pull through, because what I know is one way or the other, life happens for a reason, and God had a reason for what is going on right now. You just have to believe God and not lose patience on yourself. These kind of conversations are important, very, very much important. You know, I think personally, I think I have a more understanding of death than a lot of people around me. Okay, I think I have a lot of understanding of death than a lot of people around me. I'll talk about that or why I'm saying so in my next video. Okay, for now, please drop a comment. This is what you can just do your work or whatever you're going to do, especially if you're going to know that you're going to sweat a lot. This you're keeping off the hair off your face. You know, sometimes afro is just okay, not unmanageable, but it's just too afro that you don't want that look to just go outside like that. I know Dubai is very hot right now and the baby hairs are going to come off, but for now, as I'm stepping out, it's still fine. You just have to like stop the afro from afroing, you know, for me to stop going to your face. Very simple, you just tie, you can put another braid. If you have a big afro that you want to put in the braid, you can do that, just secure it.
Thank you guys, until my next video.